2190 Vance Street, doing a sewer scope after replacing the sewer line. And we're doing a sewer scope from the new two-way outside access on the side of the property. It looks like we're 68 foot to the cast iron. There's our SDR 35 piping. And this is all original where it came out of the house here. This SDR is original. Not to the house, but we didn't replace this part. So right there is where we connected onto the original pipe, and this is where the belly started. And the belly pretty much went down, started here and went down the whole length of the house, almost to the street. So it was a pretty large belly in the line. We had to trench it all out and re-slope it to gain proper slope. So the line is SDR 35 piping now, all the way out to the city sewer, minus the original cast iron piping that's underneath the house. We did do a video of that original cast iron also. It's another video, and the original cast iron did look good at time of scoping. So I did have the homeowner flush the toilet a few times. Just test the line, make sure all the water's making it out, not holding anywhere. Coming up to clean out here. You can see there's our new clean outs on the side of the house. And there's the house. So pretty much down this whole length of rocks is what we replaced. And then into the street there, most of the way through the street to the city sewer. Okay, now we'll go towards the city sewer from our clean out here. You can see how there's no water in the line now. There's our city sewer there at 92 foot from the new outside access on the side of the property. And you can see the difference between the old sewer line and the new sewer line is not holding any water and flowing just as it should.
That's a dry line now, huh?
2190 Vance Street. Sewer line has been scoped after replacing the line and is flowing well at this time. No recommendations for new sewer line at this time.